Our YouTubers cooking time. Another foil pack with potatoes. Lake Sacagawea, North Dakota. Doubled that one up, huh? It's a lot of potatoes. Olive oil. Garlic powder. Alright, we're just going to do some steak seasoning in there with it. I know it's burgers, but makes them like steak burgers. Alright. Sriracha. Seal. Mix. More steak seasoning. More sriracha. Nothing. Alright, I'm just going to put a piece of aluminum foil over it. Second blob. Try to spread it out. Form it. Boom. Another piece of foil. I again didn't get them close to perfect, but they're closer. Form that in there. There's still one that's way bigger. Three burgers. Alright, foil pack is going along nicely. And again, another pretty good spot to be cooking. I think. Okay, let's get the burgers. First burger. Alright, second burger. Oh. Third burger. Okay, okay. Cookity cook cook. I messed up. I should have put seasoning on the side before I flipped it. Before I put it on there. These are going to be steaky. Everybody likes steaky, right? Alright. Alright, cook. Alright, I think I'm going to flip. There we go. That one's not so pretty. A little bit more seasoning on this side. Okay, I think we're about done. Shut these off and plate them. Alright, Alright. I'll taste this one first. Nothing fancy, just a burger. That's a darn good burger. Broccoli. That's good. I'll have a carrot too. Carrot. That's good. Potatoes. Flyover. Potatoes. Broccoli and carrots. Smiley face burgers. Just taste them. Alright, there it is. And with pan, that's my view outside. Not too shabby for North Dakota. Alright, YouTubers. Get out there, enjoy some stuff, wander around a little bit, eat a semi-decent meal, have a great and wonderful day.